Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow third-party cookies on MacBook. First, I will show you how to do it on Google Chrome, and then I will show you how to do it on Safari. So for Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome browser, then click on Chrome from here, select Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security and look for third-party cookies. Click on it. And here you can, this is how, make sure to select allow third-party cookies. And this way, some sites can use third-party cookies to personalize content and ads and learn about actions you take on other sites. If you want to block third-party cookies, select it like this and close this window. In my case, I will allow third-party cookies. Now, how to allow third-party cookies on Safari MacBook default browser, which is Safari. So first open it like this, then click on Safari from here, select Settings. First you will land on this General tab. Make sure to click on Privacy, and here next to Website Tracking, and check this box next to Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. And this is how to make sure to close this window. And this is how to allow third-party cookies on MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.